afternoon, boys and girls. It's Science Bubby and
Science Asher.
And we're here to show you a really cool experiment. We're going to be making a snake. It's the kind of black snake thing you see at the 4th of July. It's really a cool thing. You must have adult supervision to do this. And you must take safety precautions, right?
Science goggles.
Goggles. Something to cover up your eyes. Plus, you want to make sure you gathered all of the things that you need to do to have this experiment. For this experiment, we need baking soda, we need sugar, we need some kind of a container that isn't going to burn because you don't want to have a paper container or anything like that. And we want to fill it with sand. It can be sand from a school playground, sand from your own sand pit, just regular old sand. You can see that right here. Then we need some kind of lighter fluid or gasoline, which is why you absolutely have to have an adult with you, and a lighter. Now, what we've done here, what we're going to do is prepare for this experiment. This experiment calls for 1 part baking soda to 4 parts sugar, and we're going to mix that up. Asher, we got a cup of sugar. Pour that in there.
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. And fourth of a cup baking
powder.
Soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Mix that up. Mix it up really good. That's right. And then what we're going to do is saturate the sand with a lot of accelerant. Now this accelerant, which is lighter fluid, is going to act as a catalyst in this experiment. A catalyst to what we're going to call this little birding. We're going to burn up something. Why don't you put some of that? We kind of made a little hole and put some in there. Did we get plenty of Did we get plenty of thing? All right, let's get a scoop of that. Let's see what we got going on here. And what's going to happen is you're going to heat up the baking soda. The baking soda will release carbon dioxide, which is a gas. The gas is what's also going to ignite. And what you're going to see here is that the sugar, after it's heated up, it's going to start making these long black, what would you call them? They almost look like
poop.
No, don't say poop. Not poop. Guys, no, you'll see. They look like little snakes. That's what we're calling them. Asher. Okay, we're going to light this up to see what happens. Light it up really good. Keep it going. We need to have this lit up. Let's keep a close eye on that. Try giving it more. Light. Close up of that. Hey, stop barking.
Okay, so as you can see, oh gosh, as you can see, there's starting to be some little black dots.
Up, it's starting to come. It's starting to turn. You can see it. And the more the carbon dioxide has been released, and that way it's becoming a gas, and also it's heating up the sugar. And the sugar is what's producing this black snake effect. Kind of cool, huh? Here it comes. It's kind of caramelizing, I guess, the sugar. The sugar's releasing carbon, and the carbon, that's what makes it black. And that's in a lot of the 4th of July fireworks that you see. And it's growing as it eats up the sugar and the sugar burns off. Get a close-up of that with the camera. See that going? It's very hot. Do not touch. But it'll keep on growing, kind of like lava coming out of a volcano. Isn't that cool? I wonder if we added any sugar, if it would make any difference. Let's try getting a little more. Curiosity. See if that makes any difference. Never know. That's the thing about science experiments. And always check. Let's heat that up a little bit. Like that. In this case, the accelerant, which is lighter fluid, makes it even hotter. It helps make the fire burn hotter. The hotter the fire, the more carbon dioxide is released from the baking soda, and the more carbon is released when you heat up the sugar. More carbon is released, and that's what turns it black. There we go. All right, boys and girls, make sure you do this with a parrot. It's kind of a cool experiment. We'll see you later. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.